Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Hope you will be fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, 9th students, choose Mukatib. H para motion. Author पर equation of motion by this theoretical method as derived. मगर in your syllabus, they have to be derived by graphical method also. Graphical method as इस्तेमाल करूँ. यम through as सारे through equation of motion से derive करूँ. What is equation of motion? First equation of motion is B is equal to U plus A into T. Use as already derived occur by theoretical method. मगर we have to derive it by graphical method. एक ग्राफ बनाए कि आप अगर तो point O point C each point O पर एक body करा start this ये पर MS start गया starting point ये पर पका मगर ये पर uniform acceleration गया तो point B. Purchase point B to this point is perpendicular travel you are perpendicular travel. You got time you get velocity. Yet initial velocity U, you get final velocity V. You final end point you get V. Before is करो explain कि गणित का graph समझो ये कैसे graph क्या है. Body zero ये पर होता है कर initial velocity U, at what uniform acceleration के साथ this uniform. What point B यानी ये पर होता है कि ये this final velocity या पर velocity या ये final velocity. This is you got time OC you denotes kara time AD te have उसमें time तो इसको गैसे graph गणित के इसको point this O A D C B E point तो इसके पर करो in method through ये equation derive. Consider the given graph which होता है the initial velocity of the body U at point A. The initial velocity is this is U, H plus U है, this is U, velocity U at point A. So initial velocity U. Yani yes, in start on motion code. Then it is velocity changes at uniform rate from point A. Yet pet current body motion upon start, yet pet is point A, O point where start. A aspect is U would. M curve path uniform rate upon motion change, would point B aspect. She grab, this is time, this is velocity. She grab. That's a graph. Body spaka this yap kapoy rais paka as we imus velocity time graph ya सब कुछ इस point यह second में दोस्तों east velocity यह में दोस्तों east यानी at a uniform rate imus point A per B is the velocity change गसब in the time or which time in time t this there is a uniform acceleration from A to B इसमें urge one A per B such acceleration गसब that is uniform acceleration and it is accelerated motion from A to B. This velocity is changing after every interval. After time t from after in time t path is uniform acceleration from point B it uniform in time t. It is after time t its final velocity इमेज बन की कि फाइनल वेलोसिटी या दस आद बना v ये होम के v छे गो a पर b पर पॉइंट सन इनिशियल वेलोसिटी की u इनसा से यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन करा फ्रॉम a to b पता से द वेलोसिटी बना v मार इन टाइम t व्हिच इज इक्वल टू यू सी वेलोसिटी v छी का बराबर इस b to c एक ग्राफ है ये तो ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर जो यम पॉइंट b को फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज b to c. The time t is represented by time t is represented by OC or this is time t time t is represented by this OC. ठीक. To complete the figure we draw the perpendicular CB from C. ये figure complete करने खातर किंतु geometry में करान चु to we draw a perpendicular CB. It's a perpendicular C to B. This is perpendicular. CB या B aspect कराओ is perpendicular और इनका join the point from C and draw AD. But it's AD you line is here but you is draw line across this in velocity change acceleration start gay it is draw parallel line across dashed line this it is parallel to OC. Go to complete this figure we draw perpendicular from CB and draw a line AD parallel to OC. To complete the figure we draw perpendicular CB and parallel to AD draw parallel to OC. AD is parallel to OC. You correct it per line. You just already parallel banana. B is perpendicular from B to OE. BE use BE line. You throw yap per B is perpendicular from B to OE line perpendicular. Yap A. Go try S line. बेस समझो तो कत पे कि यपोर यह परपेंडिकुलर यथ रो यपर पे यथ लाइन यह त्रो पैरेलल लाइन AD to OC. Initial velocity, which समझुन छी figure. Initial velocity of the body U. Initial velocity U छी क्या छी? It is equal to OA. Initial velocity U is equal to O. बिल्कुल साल OA. ठीक? Equation 1. And final velocity of body V. Final velocity का बराबर थी. ये गए आसन बराबर BC. This is BC. So V. ये होता है final velocity. ये गई BC. From the graph, BC BC is equal to BD plus DC. So V बराबर ये है को बराबर यहाँ से this area plus this area BD plus DC. ठीक? Equation third. Again DC is equal to OA. मगर ये DC का बराबर है कि DC is equal to OA. ये तीन ना बराबर. DC is equal to OA. Very easy. So V is equal to तेलिका को V बराबर एक DC is equal to OA. So V is equal to BD plus OA. क्योंकि इस पर DC बराबर को OA, DCL बराबर OA. तेलिका को यह V इक्वेशन सब्स्टिट्यूट करें. V is equal to BD plus OA. BD plus DC बदल OA. From equation first, OA is equal to, this equation first का गणित करो. From OA is equal to U. OA is equal to U. So V is equal, you say which is one? V is equal to BD plus OA. So V is equal to BD plus U. OA बदल लगो ऐसी U. So we should find out the value of BD now, which actually BD value. OA बराबर U, which already equation was this, go BD plus U, V is equal to BD plus U. We should find out the value of BD now. We know that the slope of velocity time graph is equal to acceleration A. This is slope of velocity, or slope velocity time graph, it is equal to acceleration. This acceleration how? Yes, acceleration. Acceleration AB. The acceleration A is slope of AB. It is acceleration A. Acceleration A. Acceleration का बराबर BD divided by AD. Yes, ये मुझे acceleration that is equal to BD divided by AD. अगर इसे go rate of change of velocity, this divided by time taken, बिल्कुल सी BD divided by AD acceleration. But AD is equal to OC is equal to T. यही समझो. But AD is equal to ये OC is बराबर T. AD is equal to OC and these are equal to T is from the graph. So putting the T in place of AD बदल लगा हुआ T in the above figure, we get A is equal to BD divided by T. चल क्या को BD is equal to A into T. Now putting the value of BD equation 4. Equation 4 यह मत करो इसी हो BD value substitute. V is equal to equation 4 BD क्या था बराबर A BD plus AT plus U or V is equal to U plus AT, hence derived by graphical method. If we are able to derive this equation by graphical method, तो यह नजर दिस पान जिस पर क्या start का U go O is बराबर U is equal to OA, V is equal to BC, V is equal to यह कोई इसमें ना V find यह कोई BD plus BC यह कोई इसमें BD plus DC. DC is equal to OA, बिल्कुल साल DC is equal to यह OA बराबर. So V is equal to BD plus OA, DC पर लगा OA चाहता U is बराबर छा एक OA की OA is equal to U बराबर is equal to U. So V is equal to BD plus OA पर लगा वो U. But acceleration slope is how acceleration का बराबर को ये BD divided by AD, velocity rate of change of velocity divided by time taken. But AD is equal to OC is equal to AD at बराबर AD is equal to OC is equal to T. तो we लगा वो AD we लगा T in place of AD ये बना तो AD is BD divided by T. BD is equal to A into T. वो लगा इस this video value V is equal to BD plus U. लगा वो at value BD पर लगा उस value draw. V is equal to BD plus U. V is equal to 80 जो लगा 80 plus U. V is equal to 80 plus U or V is equal to U plus 80. It's put the derived equation. Hope that has समझ आमद. In case you have any problem, you can call on my personal number. Already known group number. You can call on my personal number. Thank you.